An enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a common condition in men as they age. While various treatments are available, dietary changes can also play a significant role in managing the symptoms. Here are 7 foods to avoid if you have an enlarged prostate. 1. Red meat. Red meat, including beef, pork, and lamb, has been linked to an increased risk of prostate problems, including BPH. The high levels of saturated fats and the potential presence of carcinogens from cooking at high temperatures can contribute to inflammation and exacerbate prostate issues. 2. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and butter are rich in calcium and can increase the risk of developing BPH. High calcium intake has been associated with higher levels of a hormone called insulin-like growth factor, IGF, which can stimulate prostate growth. Opt for plant-based alternatives like almond milk or soy products instead. 3. Caffeine. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate, is a diuretic that can increase urinary frequency and urgency, common symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Reducing caffeine intake can help alleviate these symptoms and improve overall urinary function. 4. Alcohol. Alcohol can irritate the bladder and the prostate, leading to increased urinary symptoms. It also acts as a diuretic, similar to caffeine, which can worsen symptoms of BPH. Limiting alcohol consumption, especially before bedtime, can help reduce nighttime urination. 5. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can cause inflammation and irritation in the urinary tract, leading to discomfort and increased urgency. If you have BPH, it's best to avoid dishes with hot peppers, chili, and other spicy ingredients to help minimize these symptoms. 6. Processed foods. Processed foods, including fast food, prepackaged meals, and snacks, are often high in unhealthy fats, salt, and preservatives. These can contribute to inflammation and negatively impact prostate health. Opt for fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to support overall prostate health. 7. High sodium foods. A diet high in sodium can lead to increased blood pressure and fluid retention, which can exacerbate the symptoms of BPH. Reducing salt intake by avoiding processed foods and salty snacks, and using herbs and spices for flavor instead of salt can help manage symptoms. Managing an enlarged prostate involves not only medical treatments but also lifestyle and dietary adjustments. By avoiding these 7 foods, you can help reduce the symptoms of BPH and improve your quality of life. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or treatment plan.